What are we doing today?
Today we are going to make hot sauce.
Victor is making a hot sauce.
Yes. It's so spicy. Oh my. Oh. Alright, KC, let's check it out what we've got here.
What are we doing today?
Today we are going to make hot sauce. We have ginger, cilantro, leaves of basil, tomatoes, some very spicy pepper.
That's a habanero pepper.
Habanero. This is the special. You already heard his
So
name.
this one actually it's called Mad Hatter. It's not spicy.
Wonderful garlic, beautiful tomato,
Let me see.
leaf of basil, a little bit of cilantro.
KC is gonna be cooking chicken wings today. I'm actually very happy about it. We haven't had it in a while.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so KC pre-cooked the chicken so it gets all soft. You know, it's probably got some, flavors in there already, and we're gonna grill it. It's gonna be nice and juicy and very soft. And we're gonna compare it with my hot sauce from last time, which I made from a Carolina Reaper. Start chopping. Cut, let's go.
You use your finger, you're supposed to use your knuckle.
Alright, next ingredient, guys, will be ginger.
You need it because you've been getting sick all the time.
Who's there?
Eustace.
Mr. Garlic. Alright, my favorite garlic.
Mr. Master Chef.
So right now we're gonna add a little bit of vinegar. We have just a tiny bit of water inside.
You sure that's enough vinegar? You can put more. You should be fine. But I mean, you're the sauce chef today.
I'm a little bit afraid of.
This is the Mad Hatter. It's not a spicy pepper.
A little habanero pepper. So I should be careful. Here and right now we have a little bit of this pepper, and I'll try it out.
I don't know, man.
Not that. No, oh shoot! It's so spicy. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh yeah, ghost pepper, man.
Oh, looks like a ghost pepper. But if you know why this pepper called ghost pepper, please let us know in the comments how it came with this name.
Okay, and no gloves again for Mr. Victor. Going for the ghost pepper.
I'm afraid to touch it. Okay, we're gonna do it like this. Everything pretty much is ready. We're gonna boil it for just a few minutes and then throw everything in the blender, and we'll see how it's gonna come out.
Lemon pepper chicken is ready. You have the power.
Okay, so we decided to add a little bit more vinegar. Nice.
We are going to put the chicken in the barbecue grill, guys.
Damn, look at it. Look at all those juices, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna put the chicken in there, guys. Get nice and crunchy. Because if we leave it in there any longer, the chicken's gonna break up. You want to keep some of that tenderness still in there, but
Nice sizzle.
We're gonna add some salt, just a little bit. I don't know how much do you need, but just a little bit.
Yeah, easy. Yeah, you know, I had a bad experience with that pink
got
salt.
it.
But
Just a little more, just a little more. Organic pepper,
black pepper.
black mother father pepper. Ooh. Ninja. Wow, super ninja. Come on. Alright, baby, are you ready? How are you feeling? Good? Let's go.
Alright guys, I don't know what Casey is doing over here. He's boiling all those chicken juices,
Condensing it down.
condensing it down, I guess. And the sauce is ready. It's right here.
Sauce is ready.
Looks pretty damn good. Oh, it's hot. We ran out of propane. Gonna get
Everything is ready.
chicken sashimi today?
Nothing's gonna stop us. We got this. Trying to condense it down, make it nice and thick, so it'll stick to the chicken instead of run on the chicken. Evaporation. Almost there. Couple more minutes. So we condense down the sauce, right? Ideally, you want the chicken to be nice and crispy, right? And then toss it in the leftover sauce. That's nice and condensed, so it will stick to the chicken. Slap it in here, mix it around. Get it all over the chicken. Get all that flavor over the chicken. Man, it's heavy.
God
This is
damn.
a wrist
Easy.
workout. It's all over the chicken.
Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back,
to the
peoples.
Judging table again.
The spice shark.
Yeah, you're gonna get judged today in your hot sauce, and you're not gonna get judged today. I know it's good. There's nothing to judge. The chicken wings. Come on, that's all we do. We're known for that. Okay? It will be compared to the hot sauce I made. Mine was Carolina Reaper and some other stuff, and yours is a ghost pepper. And you cook chicken today.
Chicken today, I think it might be me next for the hot sauce, huh?
Everybody will be punished today.
Check out the
Try your
taste.
chicken, just chicken by himself.
Yeah, I miss the
No
chicken,
sauce.
man. We haven't had chicken for a
Yeah,
long
we
time.
haven't had it in a while.
Oh, gooey,
So good.
partly crunchy.
A little salty, right?
I love it, man. This is the way to do chicken.
Yeah, I kind of took it out of the grill early, but oh well. Some likes gooey, some likes crunchy.
The sauce that Victor made today has got habanero pepper in there, ghost pepper,
I'm excited.
basil. That's cheating.
No, it's not a chicken. That's a part of the recipe.
Tomatoes, ginger, and what? Cilantro? What else you had in there?
Garlic.
Man, that smells really good. Never even tried
Oh my
the sauce
gosh,
yet.
bless you.
Ooh, that smell.
you.
That smell is strong.
Oh, spicy.
Oh.
That's so bomb though.
Nice and gingerly. That's the first thing I taste with the ginger.
Man, that is really good. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so fresh. Man,
I was
this
gonna say it tastes really homemade, gourmet style. You know, has flavor, definition. You can smell the ginger and garlic.
So while we still have the taste of the sauce in our mouth,
One of
oh, it
taste.
smells good too. I already forgot what it tastes like. It was the Carolina Reaper.
Oh,
Oh, that was bomb too. I
oh,
think that's
man.
even better than the last time I tried it. Definitely spicy.
Definitely spicier, yeah. Because you use like two different
my favorite.
spice pepper in there.
Then, I'm having a hard time deciding which one I like better. I'm gonna try them again separately.
I think in this case, it doesn't have to be which one is better. They're both really good.
Amazing.
Differently.
My flavor has more like taste, but it's not that strong.
Yeah.
But what about me? If which one I prefer, I would take Roma's, honestly, like sauce, because I like when it's like.
I might take some home for my fiance to try it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I mean,
So
she
they can.
never tried our homemade hot sauce, you know?
Yeah.
Both sauces are amazing. The chicken is delicious.
Tell us what you guys think. Tell us what you guys think about what kind of pepper we should try, what kind of flavor we should try, and we'll give an honest opinion reviews on the ingredients that you guys suggest. Till next time.